My name is Ronaldo Kwe, and I attend Child Bilingual Institute. I'm in JHS2. And I'm from Ghana. The name of my project is the Environment Safety Assistance for Littering. My project educates people about littering, some causes of littering, and how to minimize littering. Let me demonstrate how it works.
Hello.
Hi.
My name is ESA. I'm an AI project made to keep the environment safe. So please, why did you drop the rubbish?
No reason.
Please do not drop anything anywhere again.
Okay.
Let me tell you some effects of throwing rubbish around. It makes the environment dirty and unhealthy, which can make us ill.
Okay.
Not only littering can cause danger to our society, some things that can cause damage to our environment are bush bullies,
Okay.
Grandpa.
Thank you for letting me know. Can I know some ways to minimize all this?
I would surely do some how you can minimize littering by putting every single rubbish in the recycle bin.
So I used the text-to-speech extension and the control block. The when flag is clicked controls my program, and the set voice to auto, it gives you the voice you want. Wait 2 seconds. It gives you the time you have to wait before the program will say another thing. The speak says what I want the program to say. Thank you. My project will help minimize littering in the environment so that our environment will be clean. Thank you.